Summer management of my Pinguicula. The soil I use for my Pinguicula is a mixture of peat moss and Canuma soil. I am worried about the drainage of Canuma solely by itself during summer days. So, by mixing peat moss, we can improve the water retention. About watering. I water Pinguicula once in the morning and once in the evening. There is a way to store water in a saucer, but I don't do it. The reason why I don't do it is because if I store water in a saucer, the water in the saucer gets warm during the day and it may damage the roots. When to water Pinguicula? The roots of Pinguicula will rot if the growing medium is constantly moist. Therefore, water when the soil is dry. There are 3 ways to check if the soil is dry or not. The first way is to check if the color of the medium has turned pale. If the medium contains water, the color of the medium becomes darker. Therefore, it is a good idea to water when the color of the potting soil becomes lighter. The second method is to check the soil by sticking a thin stick into the soil. If you stick a thin stick into the soil and pull it out, the soil does not stick to it, you can judge that the pot is dry. The soil does not stick and must be watered. The third way to check is to hold the flower pot, and if it is light, it is time to water it. These are the ways to check if you should water the plant. About sunlight. I use 2 types of indoor and outdoor management to see how they grow. For indoor management of Pinguicula, I have a fan on to improve airflow. The only purpose is to give a little wind movement. The fan is placed in such a way that the wind does not blow directly on the carnivorous plants. Pinguicula kept outdoors are placed with the windows open to take advantage of the breeze outside. Pinguicula is kept out of direct sunlight. Look at this. This Pinguicula is growing outdoors. The leaves have turned pink and very attractive. How about the mucilage? Excellent. It seems to be in great shape, even though the temperature is so high. Here's one that's been kept indoors. It's growing, but I think it needs a little more sunlight. I'll check on them a little more and see if I can keep them all outdoors. It's hot, but I hope Pinguicula will survive the summer. For more information on how to grow Pinguicula, please watch this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give me a high rating. Thank you for watching.